Today, we will see another word problem on the applications of HCF. 50 apples and 65 oranges are to be distributed equally among the children such that leftovers are minimum. Find the number of children. Observe, this is an example for equal distribution. Step 1. Find the HCF. Since the items are to be distributed equally, we need to find the HCF of 50 and 65. Let us find the HCF of 50 and 65 using short division method or common division method. Start dividing 50 and 65 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide both 50 and 65 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Again, since 3 does not divide both 50 and 65 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 5. Since 5 divides both 50 and 65 exactly, we get 10 and 13. Please make use of divisibility rules to check whether the given integers are divisible exactly or not. Stop here since no other prime number can divide both 10 and 13 exactly. Finally, multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, we have only one common prime divisor, that is 5. So, HCF of 50 and 65 is 5. Therefore, the maximum number of children is 5. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.